Hi there, David here and welcome to Wild Goose Adventures. We're going to start this journey at Sorrento, catch the ferry across to Queenscliffe, and our first stop will be Torquay down at Bells Beach. Wow, I'm here at Torquay at Point Danger, and this is falling heaven. Well, it would be if it was 10 degrees warmer. Nevertheless, this place is fantastic. Over here you can see it's a beautiful swimming beach and people are swimming and there's surfing going on. It's protected from the headland. I swing over here and this headland, which at low tide creates that lovely calm spot that was behind us, now is this wonderful, wonderful place to go foiling, so you can get up in smooth water, you can race across into some swell, and if you get really game you get close enough to the rocks to be able to ride the swell, or otherwise you can just sit just off to the side of the swell and catch the waves rolling in. It really is a perfect spot, and I had a fantastic time here yesterday. Today there isn't quite so much breeze, but I'm going to spend a bit more time here and just wait to see if the breeze kicks in again like it's supposed to tomorrow. I'd love to fly the drone here, but there's an air show sitting just behind us and the airplanes are flying very low and very fast, and I don't think they'd appreciate it if I was to put the drone up out there. So we're going to stick with this camera work and just wait and see. While the locals headed out in their shorts and t-shirt, I ducked into Rip Curl for a wetsuit. The outlets, they don't sell my size or really what I want. They told me to come to the main outlet here at Rip Curl. Well, here I am, Bells Beach. It's hard to believe that in a month's time it's going to have all the world's best surfers here, all lined up on the cliff over there, watching the biggest contest where surfing professionals started. Well, these are the competitive steps. They come down and come back from the beach here. So I wonder who's going to ring the bell this year. Welcome to Anglesey. It's a beautiful beach, a lovely spot that seems to have captured its own identity. Here there is another little beach which looks like it might be good for foil. Not today, there's no wind, but it's certainly worth going and checking it out. The Great Ocean Road takes us there, so it's time to sheet on and go and have a look. Well, this glorious bit of the beach that I was talking about turns out to be Point Road Night. Weird name, but anyway, that's not for me, it's just what it is. Back over there is Anglesey, where I was before, and this is a beautiful point. It's protected from the wind and it's just a lovely headland. As you can see, there's some stand-up paddlers and some surfers here already, but I could imagine this in the right conditions would be just magnificent. Point Road Night was named after William Road Knight. He bought sheep across from Tasmania in 1836 and settled just west of Geelong. He and his son Thomas pioneered a track to the Cape Otway Lighthouse in 1846. Point Road Night had a striking similarity between Double Island Point, a long break that ran for probably 3 kilometres, and a lovely calm spot it was indeed. of the Great Ocean Road, well officially at least. Feels like we've already done a heap of it. We've had Point Danger, we've had Bells Beach. Ahead of us we have Lorne, we have Warrnambool, and of course Port Fairy, and that little festival that we're planning to go to. Let's sheet on and get into it. Lorne was a beautiful town. It seems the scenery is just getting better and better as I head further south. And it was here that I began to learn about the truth of the Great Ocean Road. Here at Lorne, I've learned a lot about this Great Ocean Road and what it actually has detailed. It began construction in 1919, just after the Great War. A whole lot of troopers and military people coming back from the war, probably suffering from now what you would call PTSD, began a mission to open up this whole Great Ocean Road. It was nothing but rocks and harsh cliffs. And over the next 13 years, a group of dedicated people got together and made this link and created what is a truly spectacular place. I'm here at the swing bridge, probably nothing to do with that, but it's just absolutely gorgeous. I think I'm going to go over there and have a coffee. Back in 1919, when the recruits came back from the Great War, many of them had lots of stresses and strains, and they were looking for something to do. They decided they were going to join all the communities along this seaboard, and so they embarked on the almost impossible task of cutting a road all along this seaboard. It took them 13 years. They didn't like using explosive, and they didn't like using all of the loud things because it reminded them of war. So it was rudimentary, but they eventually cut their way through here, connecting these lovely coastal towns. Really, it was a tribute, and now is considered the world's longest memorial to war. So when you drive down here along the Great Ocean Road, and you should because it's beautiful, appreciate the sights you see, appreciate this lovely coastline, and give thanks to the men who fought and who created this. I loved all the quaint landmarks that really made this town something special. And as it turns out, it's got a pretty good surf as well.